All right. That's good enough. Whoa. Yeah. Nice one.
Can I touch it?
Okay.
Can I touch it? Whack him in the head.
Whack him in the head. That's with fish, isn't it? Well, it's meaner to let him suffocate. There we go.
Can I touch him?
Voila. He's not bloody.
Can I touch him?
Yeah, you can touch him. There you go. You want to hold him? Put your finger just right here. Just go right here. Like that.
He's bleeding.
There you go.
Yay!
All right.
I just want to touch him because he's so
Oh. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Yeah.
Good job, Jay.
Reel it
You
in,
got
Jay.
one? Okay, Raylan.
There you go. Nice and easy. Pull.
There you go.
What?
You don't gotta go crazy. You can let him run a little.
That was really good.
Alright.
You caught
Raylan, here.
We'll just further and then far enough. Lift your rod tip over and come over to me.
Raylan, here.
Ha!
Yay!
There we go.
You got away my trout.
Now convince him.
He didn't.
One wiggling.
Oh, wait, he's
Dad, knock
so
him out.
He's
Daddy
so
got a
good.
fish.
There you go. You can knock him out if you want.
He's bleeding.
Here, just use this. Whack him right in the head.
A walking scissor. Now you have to touch him.
Well, we gotta get him in the boat first.
Yeah, we got a ways to go yet.
Can't count our fish before they're in the boat.
Oh, come over here. Yay!
Yay!
Yeah!
Got my what?
Got him.
Stay here, please. Stay here,
Whack
please.
him.
Whack him.
Whack him. This is my lucky day.
It is your lucky day.
day.
2 minutes ago, I guess not my day.
Whoa.
They're all about the same size. Okay, go get. I gotta get a picture with you and your fish, baby.
Can you take off this
Well,
little?
after I get to the
Can you take off
There
this
you
little?
go. One more.
Step?
Nice.
Thank
Nicely done.
I didn't know. Daddy, let me.
All
Just
right.
stand next to it then. Go just stand next pastor's knee.
You want me to hold it for you?
Raylan,
Alright,
Raylan,
I'll
back
hold
up.
it for you.
Raylan, back.
Come here, Joanna.
Like roll it in. Reel it in. Not roll it in. First fish.
Okay, Joanna.
Yay!
See if he's still on there. I think he is.
Keep going.
Yep. Keep going. Oh, he's a pulling.
He's pulling. He's pulling. Keep going, Joanna. You can do it. Oh, we got a fish. Woohoo!
Keep pulling.
Go, Joanna, go. Uncle Jordan, we got a fish. Oh, I got one too.
You want to hand me the net? It's right behind you.
Oh,
Whoa! He's a good one, Joanna. Look at him jumping. Keep going.
here you go,
All right,
Grandpa.
keep doing it.
There we go.
Oh, look at that.
Woohoo!
You gotta put the hook up there.
I don't need it actually.
Hold on, he's gonna get the hook out for you.
Woohoo! Now we're gonna whack him
Why do we whack him?
so that he dies.
So we can eat him.
You can't eat them when they're alive. They hate that.
You gonna hold that up so the camera here can see?
Okay, Joanna, what do you think?
I think it's an easy.
Hold it up so the camera. See the camera right here? Oh my goodness.
Woo!
Now
Yeah.
I hit the button now, Chris.
Yeah, hit the button.
Oh, my turn. Yay! I can't believe it!
You got one. Okay.
I did it!
Hey, look at that. Oh, let's see. Is he on there?
turn?
Oh yeah.
Hey, Joy. There you go.
Look, there they are. Look, we're
No,
over
Joanna,
there.
do not drop the
Put
fish.
your rod over this way. Over that way. There you go.
He's hugging. He's hugging.
Okay, that's good enough.
Ah!
Yeah, I got one! Me too!
Joanna, you're gonna drop it.
Trout.
Trout!
Okay, watch out. These are hooks that are poking. Leave it right there.
I got a trout, Mila!
Oh man, getting away from you.
I got a trout!
Ah, now it's all done.
Did you get a fish yet?
You gonna hold it up there,
There
Joy?
you go, Joy. Hold him up like that
For the camera, look. Good job.
Anna,
Anna, your fish bowl.
you got a fish.
Go, go, go! Come on. Okay.
The net's behind you,
Okay,
Joy.
not too fast. Just go nice
Daddy.
and easy.
The net's behind you.
No, hold
The
still.
net's behind you, Grandpa.
Over there. Over there. There
The
you
net's
go.
behind. I'll get.
I got it ready.
So then we don't lose this one.
I know, right?
It was a bummer when we lost that.
Oh!
Oh,
That's a jumper.
He's a jumper. Over this way.
Ah, he's
Okay,
gonna
hold
jump
still.
on
Keep reeling.
Stop reeling. There we go. Stop reeling. Reeling a little bit more. Got him!
Nice. That's a nice
That's
one.
a big one. It's bigger than Joanna. It's pink.
That's a nice one.
I can't believe I actually caught my first fish today. Yeah, isn't that fun? Yeah. Ah,
Right up here.
it's still alive.
Oh, right there.
It's still alive.
Oh, good job. All right.
Yeah, come here. Hold it. Hold the pole. Hold it. You hold it. Keep reeling. Hold tight. Hold tight. Don't let the fish take it.
Huh?
Why is my fish
Keep going.
not a little torn?
He is. He's coming.
That's
going. We
that's
don't
its
wanna lose
breathing
him.
spot.
Come here.
Oh, there he is.
Here he is.
Where's the line? Whoa!
You got him.
All right,
Gio
good
got
job.
one.
Whoa! We have a new friend. Isn't this so exciting? Let's go meet him.
All
Oh,
right.
you got away.
Yeah. Your fish is in my face.
He's a wiggly fish, isn't he?
Away! I'm
No.
gonna bite
You
you.
serious? Look over here.
Look at the camera.
Look over here. Look up
See the
there.
camera?
Hey!
Good
There's
job.
Armandi's, Giovanni's fish.
Hello! My name is Pickles. My name is Pickles. No, my
Keep
name
going.
is Trout.
Keep going, Armani.
Yep. Pickles? Yep.
Look,
And I have a
Armani, look.
fishy I
Look in the
find.
water.
Good
Ha
job.
You got him. All right, Armani, look over here. Look over here. Look over at Joe.
Look over here, bud.
Hey, you want to hold him? Okay. Look over here. Look at Joe.
Look up here. See the camera right there?
There's the first
at that.
fish. Good
Good
job,
job.
buddy. All right.
Yeah, you're good. Keep going.
Still on there?
Oh.
All right. Over here, Christopher. Yeah! Got him in the boat.
That's like
Nicely
I want
done.
to fish another one.
Hey, Wes.
Yeah, catch it. Well, everybody else
If I'm
is going to catch one.
Do you
Okay,
really want to get
we'll
the
wait
GoPro?
until
Not
we get
yet, not
their picture with them.
yet. Yeah.
So,
But just either that or like.
yeah. Okay, just hang on now. Grandpa's got to steer a little bit.
It's
one of the challenges.
Can I catch another one?
We'll see. Everybody's got to catch one fish, and then we're going back. After everybody catches one, we're going to give some other people a turn. There we go. Now, stand up, Christopher.
I don't want to hold it. Hello.
Stand up. And you got to show the fish to the camera. Look over here to the camera. Ooh, you hold it.
No.
You You sure?
Oh, Gabe, you get to hold your fish.
Yeah.
How do you tell if it goes
Okay.
Alright.
There should be. Oh, Gabe's got one.
Oh. Should I still hit the GoPro or like would this be in the 5 minutes?
It hasn't been 5 minutes. No.
Okay,
There you
cool.
go, buddy.
Good job.
Mine was the first
Yeah.
one.
Boy, you got him. You keep reeling. There you go. Keep going. You're gonna put it on the downriver. Bro. Okay.
Good job, Gabe. He's coming.
Look at that.
Oh no. That's angle. Okay, that's far enough. That's far enough.
Alright, that's good.
Oh, give it a little. There you go. Pull the reel out.
Oh, look at that one.
Ooh, nice one.
You got a big one.
Alright.
All right. Hang on just a second.
Chris.
Hang on, buddy.
A miss. Swing and a miss.
Alright.
He burped, huh? Killing it. Put your finger right in here. Put your finger right up there.
I still haven't caught.
Like that.
Yeah.
Oh, almost.
It's okay, Gabe.
Alright, Gabe. Come here.
All right, let's get this one.
Good job.
Alright.
Hold your fishy.
Come over here.
I don't want to hold that one. I think.
Oh
It's pretty
yeah.
cool.
Holding them's the best. Man.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, Gabe, you see the
Alright,
camera?
look at the camera.
See that? Say cheese. Good job.
Good job.
I still haven't caught one.
I know.
Give us a tease.
Okay, the next fish is Will's.
Alright, Gabe. Oh, don't put them here. Put them in the bag.
Yeah, reel it in, reel it in. Woo! You biting it?
Nice. There you go, Willie. Reel it in.
Everybody will have a fish if this is a fish.
Oh yeah.
Definitely a fish.
Okay, when I tell you to stop reeling, you stop reeling, but keep reeling for now. Okay, stop. Reel, pick up your rod tip. Reel it. There!
Woo!
Nice job, Willie.
Whoa. Willie? Would you? Don't.
Hold your rod. Hold the rod. Where are you looking?
I don't want to look.
You don't want to look.
I don't like it when I see this.
You don't. How come?
Neither me.
Yeah.
Neither me.
See? Boom. Now he doesn't wiggle so much. You want to hold him?
Is the tapping done?
You gotta hold them up for your picture.
Tapping is done.
I just go right here.
You can if
It's
you
gonna be
want.
slippery.
You see the camera?
See the camera? Look over at your dad.
Stand up here. Really good. Stand up.
There you go.
Can I fish him?
Good job.
Wow, it's very slimy. Can I do
Yeah.
my fishing again?
Back.
Oh yeah, you got a fish. Okay, hold on. No, you don't have to set it. Just reel it in. Reel it in. There you go.
Oh, fish!
You don't have to go too fast. Just go regular. There you
I'm
go.
fishy! Whoa. Fish!
Woo.
is that
Oh, go over that way a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Keep coming. Whoa. Keep coming. Keep coming this way towards me a little bit more.
I got one!
Oh, and he came off in the net. So that's good.
Come here, buddy. Oh, I want to grab you. I'm grabbing you. Oh,
Just a minute and I'll whack him on the head and then he won't flop around so much.
Oh, is he gonna die? Wait, I want to grab him. Give it to me. Are you catching and releasing? Give it to me.
No, we're not catching and releasing.
I think he's not breathing no more. Oh, can I kill him? Ooh. Hey, buddy, what's up? I know how to catch him.
Okay, just a
I'm not
second.
used to killing fish.
Okay.
Okay, I got him. I got him. Ow. I got hurt. I got hit. Wait, no, not the thing. Okay, I got you.
Okay, let's see the fish here. Oh, I got her.
Ew, fish scale.
He's all done.
Is he dead?
Voila, he's dead. It's a lot better to do that than to let him like suffocate or something.
Oh my god, it's bleeding.
He's just whacking it. Okay, look up at the camera.
I caught a fish!
Woo! Yeah. They're a little different than this. Oh!
Oh, got one!
Let's see.
Yeah, let's keep mine.
I think it's on there. Let's see.
Yes. Get it.
Right here. There you go.
Yeah,
Reel
it's
it in.
definitely.
Don't let him reel his in.
Go, buddy, go! You got this! Fish on.
Okay, don't go too fast.
Go a little slow. Yeah.
There you go. Keep going. Keep coming towards me. Come towards me.
Yes! Second
Nice.
fish of the day. He came off.
In here.
Now we need to get. Let me see. I want to thwack it.
Now
Can I
we
thwack
give
it?
you one.
Can I thwack it? Can I thwack it?
No,
Hi,
no,
fishy.
I'll do that.
Can I hold it
Put
while
over
before
there.
you thwack it though?
Hold it. No, it's not me. Keep my hands from getting.
Oh shit! What are you? Can I hold it before you thwack it?
Okay, nope. I'm gonna whack it.
Oh, I will see. Thwack it! Thwack it! Thwack it! Thwack it! Thwack it! Thwack it! Thwack on the milk. Bro, he's angry. He's angry. He's not angry.
There we go. All done.
Hello.
Want to hold him?
I want to hold it. I want to hold
All right,
it.
you gotta smile up here for the camera.
Hi.
Okay, let's just put this down here. Now he's gonna hold it. Put your finger right in here like this. Go like that. What? Hi. Okay.
It doesn't. Oh, can I see him? See him?
Just a minute.
But he's still alive.
Keep going. You're doing great. Here he comes. Okay, keep going. Here at the end is where we lose him. Keep going. Yep. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Reel, 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 reel. Oh! This is why we lose them at the end. They go crazy.
Able to get it?
Yeah, you got one. He was a wiggly one.
Boy, oh boy, he is nuts, isn't he? It's a nice size one, huh? It's a trout. A rainbow trout.
What was that?
Oh, their air bladder is a thing that they use to go up and down with. It's full of air. Squeeze them if it becomes not full of air. There we go. All right, Mary, you ready to hold them up? Put your finger right in here. Go like this. It's not gross.
I said it's gross.
You say it's gross. Put your finger right in there. Right in here. Now look up the camera. Up there, look up there. Look up front. Nice job. All right, now you can put it in the bag. Good. There you go. Good job. Hey, look. I think have a fish. Let's see if it's still on there. Come here, buddy. Reel it in.
Reel it!
One hand there, and yep.
Reel fast, Day-Day.
Right over here. Keep your rod right there, and just reel it in.
Reel it. I'm done. Still on. Wait, does Day-Day have his own bag? Can I hold my fish? Can I hold my fish?
Keep going. Keep
I
going.
see him.
Okay, keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Oh, we got him. Nice job, buddy.
Shake me. That's my turn.
Woohoo. That's good. You keep holding it for me, okay?
Look at that, Day-Day. Nice.
All right, Day-Day.
Hold it.
Oh, did you hit the button last time?
No.
Oh, go ahead and hit it now. And then hit it again. Yeah. Yeah, one more time. Yeah. Oh, now it's going. Go ahead and hold it up, Day-Day.
Hold it up.
I'm not sure if we got that one last one.
It hasn't been 5 minutes.
No?
No.
Let it, oh, okay.
Hopefully.
I don't know. That's, okay. Now you can shut it off.
Put it in the...
No, Carson, you go one after.
That one is a fish. Yeah.
Oh, Jace! You got a
Come here,
fish!
Jace.
You are.
Put hand right there. One hand right there. This hand right up there.
That's
Now reel that baby in.
Okay, reel
Real
it
fast
in,
with
Jace.
it, so it doesn't get the net ready.
Reel and pulling.
Yeah. Get it out of here.
Okay, put your rod over that way. Reel, reel, reel. Okay, hold still. Come over this way. Over this way. Yeah!
My fishy.
Okay, just hang on. Wait for me. Wait for Grandpa to get his boat straightened around. He's got every kind of going in every direction.
Oh, it's talking.
Okay.
It's moving. Whoa! I know. When you look at it, it's going to flop.
When you look at it, you think so? I think it's just gonna flop when it wants to flop.
Yes. Actually, it's going to flop. I love flopping.
He's gonna flop until I whack him.
I'm like my fish, and this is my fish.
There you go, Jace. Show it to the camera.
Show to the camera.
Nice.
I want to hold mine. Let's watch Carson.
Better put him in the bag, buddy.
Carson, no!
Keep going. It's really nice for me because. Oh,
It's fun.
keep coming.
It's fun.
Keep coming.
Fishies are animals. Yes.
Keep reeling. Right, keep coming. Almost got him in. Keep coming. Oh, he's gonna fight again. Oh, I hate this. Nicely done. Nice. Woohoo! You want to touch him?
Time to go freeze him.
Wow. Nice, buddy. Okay, let's go. Let's hold him up for the camera. Here, we put this down. There you go. Want to hold him? Okay, hold him up for the. Oh, that's okay. Did they wiggle?
You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it. Take a picture.
You gonna hold it? Come sit by with Grandpa and take a picture. I'll hold him.
Yeah, Grandpa will hold it, okay? You don't have to hold it, but go stand next to it.
There's
Look at the camera.
Good job, Carson.
I put it in this
I don't know.
No, it's got it. All right, Eden.
All right, eat it.
They're all the same.
Woohoo! Got it, girl. You guys, Eden's getting one. What?
Okay, go that way with your rod tip. There you go. Perfect.